Alright, let's see if this is gonna start. Nothing. Completely dead. Oh well, I guess we won't do that for this video. No lights. Oh well, anyway, here we have a 1986, I believe I said this was, with a 350 in it. Square body. Four-wheel drive, stick shift. With a dump bed. This truck is still a project. One of these days we'll get on it. But in the meantime, Dad drug in another truck. You guys are going to like this one. This is a 88, yeah, 88, 3500. No tilt bed, but 50,000 original miles on it. This is kind of a rare occurrence that you open it up and there's cab corners. It's all there and not rotted out. And this is good. These like to rot, and the floor is actually good. I don't know if I can pull this rubber mat back. No, it's sealed up there, but we won't do that. But and the seat's fairly decent. Driver's side's got a little wear on it, but look at that. What a truck. It's only a two-wheel drive though. That's the biggest downfall to it. This one's a four-wheel. Could always take that cab and put it on that frame. But look at that, how the door closes. That just blows me away. My dad's had a lot of these trucks and none of them have ever closed that good. Well, maybe the passengers have, but can't say the driver closes that easy on this one either. Quite a truck. Where you can have the fifth wheel ball hitch on it. Running boards. Again, cab corners. Oh yeah. Up under the doors. This truck was definitely, it was shedded. Got a little crackage in the dash. Nothing too serious though. Nothing the dash mat won't cover up. Here, these are the original miles. This was a one owner truck. 50,000. We'll go ahead and give her a start up here. Now I'll show you what's under the hood. I think you got it figured out by now. Needs a starter. Pop the hood. I don't think my tripod works, or my kick down thing works. Do a little sound test for you. There you go. Don't want to go too hard on it. We still got to do an oil change for that hood. Under the hood, 454. Imagine how much gas I just sucked in doing that little rev. Probably watch the fuel gauge drop on this thing. One heck of an engine though. Still got the jack handle and everything. Got a leaky manifold there. That's going to get replaced. This thing's going to get fixed up right. Get well taken care of. Because you just can't find them like this. I mean, I guess you can if you search hard enough, but come over to this one all dinged up. Starting to get a little bit of rust there and there. The cab corner's starting to go. The bed we can't compare the beds. These are two whole different style beds. But this one's really going. I think this one's got a few more miles on it too. What do we got? Oh, 47, 475, 19. That could be 147,000. This one's not awful either. That door closes pretty good. One thing I wish that other one had, this one has, is the tilt steering, because the factory steering, it's pretty tight getting in between those. Then we come to the passenger side. Still pretty good for one of these trucks. Cab corner's starting to go. This one's not too awful. So in reality, both these trucks are pretty good. That one closes good too. Well, maybe I spoke too soon on the whole door's not closing great, but this one's still going to get fixed up though. But this one's going to be the replacement for the 89 GMC he's been running around in. This has been a good truck. The one with the glass packs and everything. Been working on my carport with that, but nothing really wrong with this truck. He just likes the square bodies better, so going back to these. And there ain't nothing wrong with these. Well, all sorts of things wrong, but they're pretty good trucks overall. So I have to give this thing a bath and wax it. But alright, thought I'd show you guys the new purchase and what the new going to town rig is. Should I say work truck? Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.